Hi children, our 15th question. Shall we look at it? What will happen to a plant if all the flowers are removed from it? A plant has got flowers. If all the flowers are removed, what will happen? You choose from the option the answer. 15th one. What will happen? What will happen to a plant? To a plant if what will happen to a plant if all the flowers are removed from it? If all the flowers are removed from it, what will happen? That's the question. What will happen if all the flowers from a plant are removed from it? The option A I have for you is the plant will stop making food. The plant will stop will stop making food. Making food. The second option is the plant will stop transporting water to all other parts. The plant will stop will stop transporting will stop transporting water to all other parts. All other parts. The third option you have is the plant will not produce any seeds or fruits. The plant will not produce will not produce any fruit or seeds. And the last option given to us is the plant will eventually die. The plant will eventually die. Now let's look at all the four options. The question given to us is, what will happen to a plant if all the flowers are removed from it? First option, plant will stop making food. No, that's the work of the leaf. The plant will stop transporting water to all other parts. That is also not part of the flower, it's part of the root and stem. Third option, the plant will not produce any fruit or seeds. We are talking about the flowers. If flowers are removed, no fruits, no seeds. So the option C is the correct one. Because if you remove the flowers, then it will not produce fruit and it will not have any seeds left. Very good. Now the next question for you, the 16th question is, what are the similarities between the plants bearing flowers? Between these, okay? What are the similarities between the plants bearing flowers? Between the plants bearing flowers. All right. Okay. One is rose. Two, you have hibiscus. Rose plant. Rose plant, hibiscus plant. And your options are, option A, they have weak stems. They have weak stems. And option B, they have hard stems. They have hard stems. Option C, they have woody stems. They have woody stem. And option D, they grow along the ground. They grow along the ground. All right, we have got four options. They're asking, what are the similarities between plants bearing flowers? We have a rose plant and we have also hibiscus plants. And they are asking, they have weak stems. Certainly, rose and hibiscus, they do not have weak stems. They have hard stems. No, they do not have hard stems either. They grow along the ground. No. But the rose plant and hibiscus plant, they have woody stems. Okay? They have, that is the correct answer. They have woody stems. Now, the question number 17. Let us look at the question number 17. Read the given features of a plant and identify it. Okay? Now you must identify which one. Read the given features. Read the given features of a plant and identify it. All right? Now, A, the first feature. It is a small plant. It is a small plant with soft stem. It is a small plant. Small plant with soft stem. And the next feature given is, its leaves are used to make medicines. Its leaves are used to make medicines. And the next feature given is, it is used to add flavor to food. It is used to add, it is used to add flavor to food. And now we have to choose from A, tulsi, B option, hibiscus, option C, rose, and D, option D, woody. Jasmine. Now, we have got here a question. Read the given features of a plant and identify it. It is a small plant with soft stem. Its leaves are used to make medicine. It is used to add flavor to food. Now, which of these features goes with one of the options given here? Now, it is a small plant with soft stem. We do not have a small plant with soft stem. Its leaves are used to make medicine. Its leaves are used to make medicine. Yes. Tulsi leaves are used for medicine. Yes. C, it is used to add flavor to food. No. So the feature, the given feature of the plant here, it is, its leaves are used to make medicine. Tulsi. So that is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. Not hibiscus, not rose, not jasmine. All right. Now let's go through the questions that I have here for you. The first one is, 15th one. What will happen to a plant if all the flowers are removed from it? If all the flowers are removed from it, the plant will not produce any fruit or seeds. What are the similarities between the plants bearing flowers, like the rose plant and the hibiscus plant? What are the similarities? They have woody stems. Read the given features of a plant and identify it. Tulsi plant, its leaves are used to make medicines.